how to change the pointer size and color on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and in here tap on accessibility, then tap on vision enhancements. After that, we scroll down, and in here tap on pointer size and color. In here, to change the pointer size, drag on the slider bar to the left to decrease the pointer size, or to increase the pointer size, drag on the slider bar to the right hand side. And this is what it looks like. So here I can make it smaller using a mouse, or I can make it larger. Below that is the pointer color, so I can choose to have a black pointer, white, green, orange, yellow, or red, pink, purple, and blue. So select one of a color that you would like to use, and that's it. That is how you can change the pointer size and color on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.